Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. Today I'm going to be gluing tie block bones to a classical guitar bridge. My weapon of choice for the adhesive is the MasterGlu Ultra-Thin from GluBoost. I'm also going to be using the accelerator from GluBoost, as well as the whip tip to strategically place the glue in position so that I don't get it everywhere and glue myself to the bridge. Technical term for that is bad. Here we go. So I start by positioning the bone onto the bridge, and I'm going to use a piece of binding tape just to secure it into place. The advantage of using a glue that has a capillary type effect like the Ultra-Thin from GluBoost is that you can pre-position everything perfectly before you get out the glue bottle. Then come in with the whip tip on there and just strategically place the glue into the channel, and it will wick itself right down in there between the bone and the wood. Then I come in with the accelerator, and voila. Life is good. Going to do the same thing on this side. Then I remove the tape that held everything in place and come in and fill in the gaps in between there. So one down, one to go. Here's the other side. Go ahead and just position it in place there. And I'm going to use my fingers on this side rather than tape. So I'm going to work just a little bit at a time here. Just work on down the piece. There we go. Another use for this glue is to fill that void under the tang of your fret wire when you're installing your frets. If that slot's a little deep, when you come in to finish it, you got that void there. So what I do is just take a little bit of sandpaper, sand it like that to create a little dust that goes into the void, and then come in and apply just a little drop of the Ultra-Thin, and it just wicks right in there. Then come in and hit it again to create a little bit more slurry. And this is kind of dual purpose. It also glues the end of the fret tang down to the fretboard so the frets don't pop out. So those are just a couple of the uses that I have for the MasterGlu Ultra-Thin in my shop, and I'm sure you'll find many others. Happy building.